Rais William Ruto narugũrĩtie kiwanda gĩa gũthondeka thimũ ntere cia athiriba kaunti ya Machakos. Kiwanda gĩkĩ kĩrũgamĩrĩtwo kambuni ya East Africa Device Assembly Kenya Limited. Akĩaria Ruto augĩte thirikari ĩkahagũrĩra kambuni ĩno thimũ 100,000 iria igatũmagĩrwo na bithamba kũruta ũtungata matũrani kana ũtungata bwa mwĩrĩ matũrani bara bakũmenyekana ta CHPs.
And they told me, unless you sort out the question of smartphones, and not just the availability, but the affordability of the smartphone, you will continue to experience challenges in that space. Because it was my priority agenda to make sure that every Kenyan has an opportunity to interact with technology and to benefit of digitization, I did request them to invest. We have bought from you 100,000 tablets that will be used by our community health promoters.
Kiwanda gĩkĩ kĩrĩrĩgĩrĩrwo kũruta twanya twa ngũgĩ twa ĩmwe kwa ĩmwe gatĩka twanya 300 na 500 ara thimũ ĩno ikendagwo ciringi 7,499 ĩkaririkanwo mwanka mũthiru. Rais Ruto na arutire wĩra nebo thirikari yake kwambĩrĩria kiwanda gĩa gũthondeka thimũ. Araugire thimũ ĩno ikendagwo ciringi 5,000.
Ruto FM.
Kagitani wagaku Rais Ruto augite gwikinyira Disemba mwanka uyu kegwa ibandi bya kithaino bigwambĩrĩria gũtũmĩka gĩntũkĩra kuga gĩkaũtheria Kenya ngũgĩ ya gũkamataga ibande haraindi muntu akamenyekanaga gũkũrũkĩra metho make amwe na biara bia njara kĩrĩ mutandao kana mitandao ya kithaino.
The digital ID, which has been a big problem to us for a very long time, is now on a testing mode for the next 2 months. I have been assured by all the stakeholders, led by the ministries concerned, that by December, we will be able to launch digital ID, where every Kenyan don't have to carry any paper, plastic or otherwise, as an ID, that they should be able to be identified digitally using their iris or their fingerprints, and we can transact without the necessity of people struggling to identify who they are.